Operation management. Content. 1. Introduction of operation management. 2. Definition of operation management. 3. Objective of operation management. For operation management process. 5. Organization's function. 6. Study operation management. Why study operation management? So hello everyone, this is your host, and this is the first video of this. In this video series, we are going to learn about an important business function called operation management. So what is operation management? How does it help in effective functioning of an organization? What are its objectives? And why should you as a student bother to study operation management? So let's try to find answers to all these questions in this video. So here we go. So in order to achieve one objective, an organization performs various activities. All these activities, when combined together in a systematic way, lead to the creation of goods or services that the organization offers to its customers. This systematic way of performing activities is called an organization's operations. Therefore, operation management can be defined as the set of activities that are involved in transforming inputs into outputs that the customer values. Now, the term operations is derived from the Latin word operare, which means to do or to work. Hence, operation management is all about doing things in an efficient and effective manner so that the organization can achieve its overall goals. It basically deals with the efficient and effective use of resources. The main objective of operation management is to create goods and services that satisfy the customer's needs and bring value to the organization. To achieve this objective, operation management employs a systematic approach that involves a set of interrelated tasks. The systematic approach to managing operations involves 4 basic steps. The first step is to plan the operations. Here, the operation manager has to determine how the inputs are converted into outputs. For example, if the organization produces pens, then the operation manager has to decide what type of pen will be produced, how many pens have to be produced, and by what time they have to be produced. After determining these things, the operation manager has to develop a production plan that details the sequence of activities that are involved in the production process. The second step in the operations process is to organize the resources. In this step, the operation manager has to arrange the necessary resources like men, material, and machines to execute the production process according to the production plan. He also has to ensure the optimal utilization of resources. The third step is to actually implement the plan by effectively utilizing the resources. If everything is done correctly, then the organization will be able to produce the desired output. But it is possible that unexpected problems may occur at any point in time. Therefore, the operation manager must also prepare for contingencies and take corrective actions whenever necessary. The fourth and final step is to evaluate the results based on predetermined standards. In this step, the operation manager assesses the performance of the system and determines whether the actual output meets the desired standards or not. If there are any deviations, he takes corrective actions and modifies the production process accordingly. Apart from these 4 steps, an operations manager also performs 2 additional functions. First, he has to ensure the smooth functioning of operations so that there is no disruption in the production process. Second, he has to continuously monitor the external environment for changes that may affect the organization's operations. For example, he has to monitor the availability of raw materials, changes in customer preferences, technological advancements, and government regulations. Based on this information, he modifies the production process and ensures that the organization is able to meet the changing demands of the customers. So now let's try to understand why should you as a student bother to study operation management. In today's highly competitive business environment, it is very important for an organization to make effective use of its resources in order to survive and grow. Operation management helps students to understand how an organization can achieve this. By efficiently and effectively converting inputs into outputs that customers value. Furthermore, operation management equips students with the skills to identify areas of waste and inefficiency in an organization, as operations and suggests methods for their elimination. By understanding operation management principles, students can come up with innovative ways to improve the quality of products and services, reduce costs, and increase productivity. Lastly, studying operation management also helps in developing analytical and problem-solving skills, which are highly valued by employers in today's competitive job market. So this was all about this video. In the next video, we are going to learn about the evolution of operation management. So please make sure to watch the next video.